This is the iGarden K50AI robotic pool cleaner. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a full user manual as well as a quick start guide. You'll get a hook to take it out of the water, should fit any standard pool pole like you have. You get the charger right over here, plugs in, charge it up, and here is the unit itself. Now let me tell you a little bit about the unit first, and then of course we'll go over setting everything up. This has a dual camera AI system. It's right there. It will filter 22,000 liters per hour, which is about 5,800 gallons per hour. Works for in-ground and above-ground pools up to 5,167 square feet. The battery lasts 5 hours on this unit and recharges in about 4.5 hours. This will filter out down to 50 microns. There is a 20-minute quick clean mode. It can clean the floor, the walls, or the water line, or all three. You get to select what you want like that. And when it's done, or if the battery is running too low, it's going to return to the edge of the pool for easy retrieval. I've moved it inside so you'll be able to see the control panel. You can see it in the sun, the camera can't. That's the whole reason. First thing you have to do is turn the unit on, so pick it up, and on the underside there's a little turn thing, and it beeps. We'll set it back down, and there's your control panel. You can get the iGarden app on your phone, and you can set all of the options on the unit using that. For me, an app that I'm going to use maybe 8 times during the swimming season is not worth clogging up my phone. And you need to set up an account, and like these days a lot of us are concerned where our data is going. So I'm going to show you the control panel. Fortunately, they laid everything out right on this card right here, the quick start guide, and it tells you what every button is, what it all does, and stuff like that. So pretty much what we're going to do is set this up now. There are lights that light up, and it tells you on here what it does. One light is a 1 hour clean, so we'll do that, and then we'll set the cleaning mode to floor only, bottom LED on, and there's also an AI target mode that you can turn on, and what that does is it activates the little camera that I showed you earlier. And after it does a manual clean, you know, going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, it's then going to use the camera to spot little pieces of dirt or whatever that it missed. Very handy if you have small leaves or something like that in your pool. Pretty much after that, you hit the power button there. It's set, put it in the water within 3 minutes, and it goes. Here's the filter right here. You just pull it out like that, and there's the whole box. You can open it and clean all the junk out of it, stuff like that, and then you're ready to go for next time. You do want to make sure that when you go to take this out of the water with the hook, that you grab it over here and not here, because otherwise you'll just pull the filter basket out. Now again, everything is going to be contained in there, so no worries, it's not going to spill out into the pool, but then you got 2 things to get out of the pool, and that's not going to be any fun. I keep a very clean pool. When the pool guys come to close it when the season is over, they always remark at how pristine my pool is. Is there stuff on the bottom? Yeah, there's tiny little leaves and stuff like that. You can't get all of it, you know how it goes. And quite frankly, this can't get everything either. You'll get a good percentage of it, but it can't get everything. There's no way to possibly do that, and you don't know when another leaf is going to fall in. With that, let's go and put it in the pool. And now we wait, and it'll start going in a couple of minutes. Okay, there he goes. We'll just let him do his thing. That's the speed it goes. Hard to tell through the water, but it looks like it might, kind of go one way and then realize and go back. It's going to do like an S pattern is what it's going to do. And it just sits there and does its thing. One other thing I'd like to mention, the app is only good when it's out of the water. It can't control it while it's in the water, but you notice that it hit the wall, and that's important because I have slanty sides on this pool, so it realized that, and it turned itself around, and now it's coming back like that. So he's just going to run and do his thing, and we'll see what happens. It's past 40 minutes now, and the cleaner is no longer doing that S pattern. Instead, what it's doing is sort of going haphazardly, or so it looks to us. What it's actually doing is using the camera on it to spot any little stuff that it may have missed. So it looks like it's going along randomly. It's kind of going at an angle now instead of going straight, because he's going for something. What, where, I can't see through the ripples in the water, but that's what it does. It's been just kind of randomly, so it looks randomly going around, but it certainly has a method to its madness. Should be done soon, and then we'll take it out. Okay, let's go pull him out. The good news is that it's almost effortless to get it up right until you hit the surface of the water. Then it gets heavy, but from there you can grab the handle yourself and it's no problem. This is my biggest pet peeve from the tree. I get little leaves like this, sometimes a little larger, sometimes only half of one. Let's see what it pulled up. There wasn't much. I was in the pool last night, and it's just, very, very, very minor stuff. But you see it when you're in there. Take that out. Well, it's certainly got some stuff in them. Oh, yeah. Looks like it. Let's open it. There you go. Whole bunch of those little leaves. And all that junk that you get in the pool like that. And now you just hose that out, and you're all done. It picked up sand and even a little pebble that was in there as well. So it did very well as far as that's concerned. There we go, good as new. Let's close that up. Put them back in. And it's ready for next time. So all in all, I think it's a wonderful piece of technology. I especially like the fact that it can kind of pinpoint with the camera where it may have missed and get the stuff there. It rolled around and did everything it was supposed to. If it hit any kind of obstacle, it would automatically fix itself. Generally what it did is it went down the long way of the pool. It made an S turn, kind of like a 3-point turn kind of thing, and then turned around. And then it went along the short way of the pool, and then it did the long way, and then the short way again. And then it used the camera to go around, and I think it did a fine job. As far as longevity goes, well, electric cars today are still kind of new. And we don't know what happens 10, 15 years down the road with us hearing about electric vehicles and their batteries costing $15,000 or even $25,000. The battery is built into this, so when that finally does go, well, there's not really any replacement for it. So that kind of would be the end of the machine, just like the electric car. But on the flip side, an electric car you might drive every day or 5 days a week, or sometimes only 3 days a week, depending. And that being the case, you know, the less you drive, the longer the battery is going to last in terms of its entire lifespan. And the same will happen here. Here where I am, the pool season is 3.5, maybe stretching to 4 months at the most. I run the cleaner that I have in the pool, maybe once every week and a half or so. That's really about it. I don't get too much in mind. Your mileage will vary. But for that, I expect this will be around for some time to come. Pretty nice piece of kit right there, I definitely must say. I'm quite impressed with it. Once again, this was the iGarden K50AI pool cleaner. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find this item available for sale on the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.